Bishop David Oyedepo sent a message to his congregation ahead of the 2027 general elections as he urged them to approach the coming polls with wisdom and discernment. Speaking during a recent service, the founder of Living Faith Church, also known as Winners Chapel, emphasized the need for informed choices. He queried those who had sold their votes by inquiring if the money they were given is still there. The clergyman lamented the deterioration of the federal character in the country. He said in part,
"The money they gave you in the last election, I'm sure it's still there. How can? I don't think any member of this church will play the fool this time. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. Today you have Muslim ticket being propagated. Tomorrow you have Fulani propagated. Next tomorrow you have governors transferring to their own brother. Amen. Because federal character has been destroyed. Raketu Sususa. Karata. If they destroy it at the top, they destroy it to the level of local government. Some local government will become the heritage of certain families because they have seen it down on top. People don't think forward. People are so myopic. I think this. A Konkoko, a nation as religiously divided as Nigeria. What? What? The money they gave you in the last election, I'm sure it's still there. How can? To buy your destiny? How can? Destiny of your nation for sale? How can? I was shouting this in 2015. Some members of the church were washing their mouths. They suffered pepper. They suffered pepper. Prophetic words are not just statements made out of the blues. They are received from the Lord. If Nigeria makes another mistake now, sir, God forbid, stand to your feet.
While the cleric's statement has generated mixed reactions online and didn't sit well with many Nigerians, share your thoughts with us in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more timely news updates. Keep watching Naija News TV.